What up? Welcome to my teeth episode. That's really weird. You're just gonna zoom in on these things. No, please don't. But so I got Invisalign once upon a day, and I've had this recommendation numerous times for teeth whiteners. And these teeth whitener trays that I have are boss. So I'm gonna show you them right now. All right, now you all know by now. If you don't, then you need to watch a few more of my tutorials. Haha, they're everywhere. You can even like and subscribe to this video, and then you get to see more. But here we go, guys. This is new packaging. So it is the, I don't even know how to say it, Opalescence teeth whitening on the go. Now I have this kind that comes in these trays. This is what my orthodontist had given me for my Invisalign, you know, oh, water just shot out of it. One of these things that like you get your teenagers, well, it has my Invisalign in it. And, but this comes with these trays. I hate them. I hate them so badly. So in comes, I'll put these in my trays for my Invisalign, for my retainer at night. But these suckers are boss. So they come in these boxes. There's instructions if you want them. It even comes with a little toothpaste. But this is my third one to tear out of this box. Have I only used 3 in my life? No. This is, I've had more boxes than this, but this is their new packaging. This is not work for this company, nothing like that. This is how cool this is. This is just me loving them, and they've been recommended multiple times by multiple people who are in the dental field. You pull this open, it's on there nice and good. And here is a lower and an upper. So you take out the lower. This is gonna be really awkward. We're getting really personal here. You guys are up close. Now you can see inside of here how there's the teeth whitening pieces. So I'm seriously just gonna put it in, press it down, just like that game. What did I say? Shut up. What did I say? Comment below. What did I say? Shut up. Can you tell? Why are you watching asshole? What did I say? Comment below. Okay, so here's the top one in, and then, or bottom one, sorry. And then here's the top. And just press it in. And then pull that push out. And then they're just sitting there. And you'll let them sit like this. I think I did mine 20 minutes. What does this say? 30 to 60 minutes, 10% for 30 to 60 minutes, and for 15%, 15 to 20 minutes per day. When finished, remove whitening tray and brush teeth. Okay, so it even tells you how to do it right here. But I don't follow instructions. All right, 20 minutes. See you back in 20, 30 minutes time. What's in my mouth?
I don't know.
What does it look like?
I don't know. I don't know how to describe it.
He said, why does it look like you have no lines in your teeth? It's their teeth whitener trays. Good things
How
happen
do we
when,
have those on?
because good things happen when you have white teeth. Okay, let's take these out. It's been 30 minutes, something like that. So we'll take these babies out and I'll brush my teeth. That will get weird, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, here they are. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I love how clear they are. I just feel like it makes such a difference just even after one time. So here are these babies, easy as it can be. Again, this is not, I'm not paid to do this. I get them on Amazon. I'll put the link below for everything. And past videos that I have, I even have things in a past video that I talk about for with my like 10 favorite things too. And that's gonna be helpful for you as well. Again, guys, you can find me at Jocelyn.McClellan on Instagram, Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan on Facebook, and I'm even on Pinterest. You guys wanna stick around because many more things besides just hair and makeup is gonna be coming on for you, and always great tips that I absolutely love, tried and true for me, because that's all I do. Okay guys, take care, see you later.